What's up, people? I'm on my way to Trap window tinting. We're finally gonna get the windows tinted on the car. We are on a roll with upgrades this week. We got a lot of stuff to put on the car this week. A couple things have already been done that I haven't gone over just because they're relatively simple to do. Got the Steeda clutch assist spring in, which I wouldn't recommend buying it just because it doesn't make that much of a difference. I got a Anarchy motive shift knob that I'll go over later. And later in the week we have wheels, tires, coilovers, and an actual exhaust going on the car. Stay tuned for the rest of the episodes this week coming out about everything else we're doing to the car. So for right now, let's head over to the window tint place. So just finished getting the windows tinted. Super happy with how it came out. I ended up going pretty dark. I don't want to say on camera what I got. I don't want to self-incriminate myself, but for where I live currently, it is illegal. So if you guys are in this area, it's in the Augusta area, and you want a really good shop to do your tint that has a lifetime guarantee, I highly recommend you hit up Trap Window Tinting. They're right off of Wheeler Road, right behind Farmhouse. So if you guys want really quality tint job, I highly recommend you go there. We are picking up the coilovers right now, and we're about to head over to Reese's house and install them since I can't work on my own car in my driveway anymore. So here we go. All right, so
we're live.
Oh, that angle
of the dangle.
Blew a charge pipe on the way to Reese's house, so we had to fix that real quick. Hence why I'm drenched.
Oh yeah.
So coilovers. We gotta take this shroud off, but I'm not taking it all the way off because I don't want to have to deal with the windshield wipers. Basically, all we're gonna do is we're gonna get these T25s.
Pretty sure.
Yeah. We're gonna get these 2025s out.
2025s.
Little thingies.
Flaps.
That's a good year. 2025 is a good year.
Why is that?
I don't know. It's just gonna be a good year.
You heard it here. Let's see. Can we see the new charge pipe edition?
Oh, the bacon?
Wait, how do you turn this damn light on?
Just click it. Big silver button inside.
Holy shit! That's bright. Can't see it. Well, oh Jesus Christ! Fuck! God damn it, it's so long. I didn't realize there were 3 settings on that. So, whoo. Well, he added some bacon duct tape because everything's better with bacon.
So this is the first time I've actually blown my charge pipe off in boost. Terrified me because I was at like 20 pounds, and it just let go. That was not fun.
But that was a big dump.
It was.
Just let it go.
It's like a ghetto blow off valve.
Just dump it all. Oh, is your head gasket going? Look how low your coolant level is. Are you sure this isn't an RS?
Yeah, because I don't have an RS, so my car's safe.
You can tell.
You
can tell.
In every way.
Actually, I can't even look through the goddamn windows anymore. It's so dark.
Yeah, boy.
Why'd you bring? I already had a jack. Why'd you bring a jack over?
I always have a jack on my car.
Well, jack.
It's a Ford. You have to have a jack in your car.
Well, jack. Oh!
Hi.
Made me like one of your French girls.
It's so fucking hot. Oh,
so sweaty already.
Whoever you're bitching about how hot it is, I'm about to move to Florida. Can you hand me impact gun, por favor?
Whoa, where did you get this nifty impact gun from?
I got it from Harbor Freight.
Hey, you gotta pose. We are not sponsored.
Oh, it works. Look at it go.
For now.
Oh, man. See, if only we had had one of these, we were doing fuckface's brakes.
Who's fuckface?
You.
Me!
Because the stupid Ford tech.
You mean that we didn't have fun?
Gave it like 30 Uggas. Hey, it's off.
Uber tight!
That's what I thought I bought, so I was kind of bummed when I realized I didn't.
Well, that's what you get for cheaping out.
Bitch. Shits were like $1,000. I don't know how much you know about coilovers, but I'm just going to leave the spring preload where it's at. Honestly, I'm gonna leave everything where it's at, and I'm just gonna drop it and see how it sits.
YOLO?
Yeah. I ain't gonna make it. Who came up with pass-through sockets? Geniuses. These are pretty cool. I've never used pass-through sockets before. You know why they're called pass-through sockets?
Cause you can pass through.
Oh, I thought I was gonna guess right on the first try. No mashed potatoes.
Jimmy, get this off.
Probably.
Find out on the next episode of I Don't Know What the Fuck I'm Doing Garage.
Anybody else watch Dragon Ball Z? No.
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z. Oh, I don't have enough grip on that.
So, fun fact. Found out today that Jimmy's ST is actually pushing a lot more power than we originally thought. Jimmy is apparently sitting mid to high 300s to the wheels.
Who knew?
Care to comment?
I'd like to thank Adam Brunson at Tune Plus.
Let me know that I hit Adam up and I said, "Why are you holding out on me?" And I sent him the screenshots of the conversation.
Oh.
And he's like, "What are you talking about? Like, stock turbo STs, the most they can make is like
280.
Yeah." And he didn't exactly get the joke, but
A lot of things go over Adam's head, but it's just because he's such a literal person.
so make a long story short, an individual that
I've raced multiple times and beat multiple times, yet he continues to call me out.
so we have a stock RS,
Finally.
a new stock RS around that we are going to see if he would so kindly.
Oh no, he's going race. He's going race.
So he's gonna race Jimmy while he's on E30, and we'll finally put the whole stock RS E30 tune full bolt-on ST thing to rest. And then now that I got my new clutch in, I kind of want to do a rematch between us.
No.
We're gonna do a roll.
No. Okay, maybe.
We're gonna roll. How'd that little poll we did the other night go?
Not great.
Huh?
Let's just say you're, and I don't know what it is about the RS's clutch, but the new clutch you got makes it look like a totally different car. Because I wasn't on E30, but usually even if I'm not on E30, I keep up for like at least the first quarter of the rev range. Not this time. Not this time. No dice.
It looks like a completely different car.
Everybody's like, you need a piece of scrap metal. No, you don't. Drywall knife. I'll show you why in a second. So,
Let's go, Jimbo.
everybody's like, yeah, you know, once you get this bolt off, this one back here. Oh. So everybody's like, yeah, you know, you gotta get a piece of scrap metal to fit in there. Not true if you have a drywall knife. So, there's a tiny line back here that you're not gonna be able to see. All we're gonna do is take this in between there.
Dang.
That way this bolt has something to hit and it can separate this bottom. And it should spread this enough that we can get it out. Unless it punches right through, which I think it just did.
Bruh.
No
Give
way!
a trick that I'm gonna tell everybody on the YouTubes about.
Well, we're deleting that.
I can fucking see it stuck.
Damn it!
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
That didn't work. That didn't work at all.
So instead of getting a spare piece of metal, you use a fucking drywall knife. Wow.
That was my favorite drywall knife. What do you think the odds are first try?
Slim to none. Honey, I'm home.
You're gonna have all the heel bruises. Ow! Ow!
This is the very proper way. If you walk into a shop and they ain't doing this,
they're wrong.
they wrong.
Oh, is it there?
No.
Almost. Yes.
Now it is. You need to take a break.
1 second.
Let's get it close. Yeah.
We're finally done, and that wasn't like a super detailed install just because it started to get difficult to talk about it and do it. So that's why.
As you can tell, he's a little tired.
Super fucking tired.
How long have you been at it?
About 4 hours. But I've also never done coilovers before, so.
It's the first. First doing Brembos, first doing coilovers. What?
Learning lots of stuff about this car. A lot of it I don't like. I'm sure that's like everybody's car though. There's not like, nobody's 100% happy with everything about their car.
Unless you're an RS owner, it's fucking quality, so.
Yeah, how'd that wastegate actuator go?
Great. What
Yeah.
the fuck happened here?
Oh, I got some sticky shit on there.
It's gross.
So I got new taillights right before we leave the house.
Oh, the moment of truth, folks. He should have a Carolina squat.
Jesus. I really don't want it. It might be a little lower in the front. Not that it was difficult, it's just how long it was.
That's how it is when I do ceramic coatings.
Yeah, like, it's not that it's technically hard, it just takes forever.
Yeah, the ceramic's on the prep work. But you're done.
Finally. That should be the hardest thing I do on this car.
He says that now.
We'll be doing the exhaust like probably Friday. I got Spec D tuning taillights waiting for me at home. So anybody curious about those, you can see how those look. You can buy some if you want. You cannot buy some if you want. I don't care.
That's aggressive.
So that's it for this one. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
You might see me. I'm probably gonna get dragged into it, so you'll probably see me. Hey Reese, can I come whore out your garage again?
You can do it at my house. The kid's gonna yell at me. Oh shit.
That's all I'm good for, just use me.
I'm gonna leave my
Use and
saws out
abuse.
here. Because that's what I need for the exhaust.
Oh yeah, you gotta cut yours out.
Yeah.
Catch y'all next one.